Information in a schedule can be sorted and grouped in several ways. This includes grouping or itemizing a list of model elements, as well as calculating totals for specific values, such as areas or costs. First, create a schedule of the elements in your project. From the ribbon, View tab, Create Panel, expand the Schedules drop-down, and select Schedule/Quantities. In the New Schedule dialog, select a component from the category list. In the Category Name search field, enter a query. In this example, a furniture schedule is created, so start typing Furniture. From the category results, select the category. A default name appears, which you can change if necessary. Ensure that Schedule Building Components is enabled. Specify the phase, and then click OK. In the Schedule Properties dialog, add the fields to the schedule. From the Available Fields table, select Family, and then click Add Parameter. Add cost to the scheduled fields as well. Next, add the fields associated with the room where the furniture is placed. In the Select Available Fields from drop-down, select Room. Then, from the list of available fields, add room name and room number. Note that the order of the fields in the Scheduled Fields box is the order in which they will appear in the schedule. If needed, select individual fields and click Move Up or Move Down to reorder them. Next, set the sort order. On the Sorting/Grouping tab, expand the Sort by Field, and for this example, select Room Number. Then select Blank Line to add a blank line in the schedule between the different groups of room numbers. Click OK and the schedule displays, with a line for every item in the project. The similar items can be grouped further. In the Properties palette, next to Sorting/Grouping, click Edit to reopen the Schedule Properties dialog. In this case, add an additional sorting parameter to group by the family name. In the Then By drop-down, select Family. Deselect Itemize every instance, and then click OK. To add the quantity of each element placed in the model, back in the Properties palette, next to Fields, click Edit. Then, in the Schedule Properties dialog, add the Count field to the schedule. The cost still reflects the cost of one element, but you can also calculate the total cost for each row. From Properties, next to Formatting, click Edit. In the Schedule Properties dialog, select Cost. Then, expand the Calculation drop-down and select Calculate Totals. Click OK. You can also calculate the total cost for all elements in the model. In Properties, next to Sorting/Grouping, click Edit. In the Schedule Properties dialog, enable Grand Totals, then expand the drop-down to specify the display options such as titles and totals. If required, enter a custom title for the totals, and then click OK. Grand totals for columns in the schedule will now be calculated.